Just in, direct off the last lady owner. What a little beauty this is. It is gorgeous. Ford KA Zetec 1.2, finished in flame red. Lovely, lovely bright car, as you can see, gleaming away. It really is a beautiful example all the way around. Registered in 2015 on a 15 plate with just 23,000 miles. Great value for money, little car. Just look at that. Real deep shine to it. 70 brake horsepower, so quite a lively little engine. Good size boot for the car. Split folding rear seats. No spare wheel on these, but all the toolkits are complete. £30 road tax, that's all it is. Just look at it, absolutely beautiful all the way around. Combined miles per gallon 57.7 according to Ford. 57.7. £30 road tax. Cheap insurance. Great value for money. All the alloy wheels in great condition. No major damage to any of these. As you can see, we do the full close-up video showing exactly how nice all our cars are. No major stone chips, dents, scuffs, scratches anywhere. It is fabulous. Got the wind deflector there, rear privacy glass. All the door trims in great condition. Love the interior. I love the white door handles, center console on the dash. Really does make a nice difference in the car. Lovely and bright. Very jazzy. All the upholstery in great condition. Again, no damage to these. No rips, tears, burns or anything like that. Really is a very cherished example. Again, the driver's seat. No damage to that. All the interior trim. All in lovely condition. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel with various controls on there. Again, all the dashboard, all the trims. Stereo CD. So as I mentioned, 57 plus to the gallon, £30 road tax, low insurance, ideal first car. All the controls nice and easy, air conditioning, electric windows, 5-speed manual gearbox, USB input, (23,125 miles). That's what it's done. 23,125. 2015 car. Very low mileage example. Various controls on the steering wheel for your volume control for the stereo. The vehicle's also got voice activation.
Please make a selection or say help.
Radio.
The commands available are message reader, settings, media player, or cancel.
Media player.
Media player. The available commands are USB media settings or cancel.
Cancel. Just make it a little bit safer for you as you're driving along. To save searching for buttons, you can just talk into it. Electric mirrors. It really is a gorgeous example. 3 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, Part exchange always a pleasure. We can arrange finance for you direct with our finance lenders. Use our online finance calculator to work out your monthly payments, your low deposits. And we did a video to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. So nothing is left to chance. Giving you the confidence to buy this car 24/7 off our website. You can reserve it anytime to make sure nobody else beats you to it. You can click and collect this car from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent, or we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for further details about home delivery. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling a simple, hassle-free process. As I mentioned previously, we did a video to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. So nothing is left to chance. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website with our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund you the deposit, no questions asked. But in the meanwhile, it ensures nobody else beats you to the car. Any further information, it's 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.